Hello and welcome to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're making creamy broccoli cheddar soup. Let's get cooking. In a large pot, start by melting half a stick of butter over medium heat. Next, add 1 diced onion and sauté until it becomes soft and fragrant. Then add in about 4 minced garlic cloves and stir for about a minute until it becomes soft and fragrant. From there, slowly whisk in 4 tablespoons of flour until it becomes nice and thick. Next, mix in 3 cups of fresh broccoli florets. After that, add 1 thinly sliced carrot. Season with a dash of pepper. Then add a pinch of salt with a sprinkle of paprika. Once everything is mixed, pour in 2 cups of chicken stock. After that, bring everything to a boil so the vegetables start to soften. Once boiling, reduce the heat and simmer for about 15 minutes. Once the simmer is done, go ahead and pour in 2 cups of half and half. Then, follow with 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Top it off with a light sprinkle of pepper. Stir everything together and simmer for 10 minutes until it thickens. And there you have it, a creamy and delicious broccoli cheddar soup. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.